Hi and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to add chapters to your YouTube videos. If you have ever wanted to make your YouTube videos more engaging and organized, adding chapters is one of the ways to do that. Basically, chapters help viewers navigate through your content easily, providing a better viewing experience. So not only does this improve the user engagement, but it also makes your videos more accessible and helps viewers to find the information they need faster. So in this video, we are going to look at how to achieve that. So with me here, if you look at this video, it's one of the videos that I have created and I have added the chapters. So if you hover along this right here, you are able to see the different chapters that we have. If you needed a piece of information that is available on this video, you can simply hover to identify the section that you need to watch. Alternatively, if you scroll down, you are able to look at the various chapters that we have here. If I wanted to know how to create an IAM role in AWS, then I just click on this entry here, right? And it will take me to that particular chapter. All right, so that's how chapters work. So if we look at a video that doesn't have chapters, this is how it looks. If I needed information that is in between here, I might be tempted to just keep pressing on random sections to try and see if I'll find the specific information. But then again, I might end up wasting a lot of time or watching the full video. So adding the chapters improves the user experience and they are able to find the information that they need faster. Alright, so I'll do a demo on how to add the chapters using one of my videos. So there's a video I've created and I have not added any chapters here. Alright, so the way to do that, you need to have access to YouTube Studio. So there's the one that gives you access to editing the video and basically adding every other modifications. So just below your description, you can press the chapters anywhere, but it should be in a location where users are able to identify the chapters and navigate to whatever chapter that they are interested in. All right. So uh, the baseline is to watch your video and understand the various chapters that exist in there. All right. So the very first chapter starts at 00. So that's what we have. So you can add a heading here mentioning outline or whatever thing that you may want to name it. Doesn't really matter. Then in here, we start at 00. So in here, it's common to have introduction, but you can set yourself apart from the common introduction term and talk of introduction to, in my case, I can talk of introduction to adding chapters to YouTube videos. All right. Then I need to watch this video to identify where this introduction bit ends and where the next chapter begins. So for instance, say I watched the video and the introduction bit ends at 2 minutes and 13 seconds. So in here I can simply have 02 and 13 seconds, have a space, then introduce the next chapter. Remember, the end of one chapter marks the beginning of the other chapter. So in here, I can talk about login to cPanel. Maybe how to log in to cPanel. Think that's better. How to log into cPanel. All right. So that appears in my second minute and the 13th second. All right. Then I still continue watching the video to identify where this chapter ends and where the next begins. Then I can talk about 5:34, right? 05:34. So that is 5 minutes and 34 seconds. The chapter on how to log into cPanel ends there and the next chapter begins. So the next chapter can be conclusion, for instance. All right. So we are going to do our conclusion at this section. So once you are done adding the chapters, then save the changes. Of course, in your case, you need to watch your video fully and add chapters that exist. And remember, chapters should not be misleading, they should be accurate. All right, so once we do that, just save your video, then come back to this section and reload. Let us watch here and see. All right, so if you are keen, you can see that we have chapters added. So if I hover along the first chapter, we see we have introduction, introduction, introduction. So in the second minute and 13 second, we see how to log into cPanel. So this continues up to a section where we have 5 minutes 34 seconds where the conclusion, and if we hover around we see conclusion goes up to the end. So as a user, if I was to watch this video and I just wanted to see how to log into cPanel, just need to come and click on this section, and that's it. That's simply how to add chapters to your YouTube videos. And that marks the end of our YouTube video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video, drop your thoughts in the comment section, and also share this video with your network. If you're not a subscriber to this channel as well, remember to subscribe to stay updated with our videos. Thank you and goodbye.